left side. We're gonna get taken by the back, from the back. They're going for the back.
All right, hang on. You stay here. Do you think you can watch this by yourself?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
Go for the back.
Christian, watch yourself. We got a prisoner. I think we got a prisoner. Hang on. Oh, you're in? Oh, sorry. I saw green. I saw green.
Hey, when you guys are getting...
I got mine moving up at my 12, and they're not calling hits either. They're down in those palmettos. All right, keep on. I don't have the range for it. Matt, go. Matt, let's have the range for these guys. All right. Got him.
Grenades? Can you get him a grenade?
Hey, you need another person up there? You guys need another person up there?
Got 2 guys right there. I don't even know. I think I have like 10 kills now or something like that.
Respawning. I'm gonna go into the fire.
Watch out, this guy right there. Oh, he's behind this guy. I can't hit him. Yeah, I got 2 guys out right there, and there's a guy going to revive him. There's a guy going to revive him. You watch that way. You watch the right side. Oh. Got him. I got the girl, and that guy's dead.
Yeah, I got the girl.
I got the girl with the handgun.
Yeah, I know. I got the girl already twice.
Why am I shooting? We got a guy right here behind this pallet. Can you see him?
No, I can't get him. I'm watching.
I think they got range. Matt, you got range on these guys? Moving across.
Okay, take my shot.
Go.
No, I got him. I think I got him. I don't know. Moving up on the right. Snipers up there, on the right. Guy behind that green pallet thing on the right. I don't even know what the heck that thing is. I'll keep it down. Hey, keep going.
Fucking breach the building, we're done for. Don't let him get that close. Keep maintaining fire.
One motherfucker up in that down.
I think I got hit.
I got you. They're falling back.
Good.
Alright. Oh, he's moving up. Oh, come on, man. Got him. I got him. He's out. Alright, I'm on my last mag. Alright, what the heck? I can't get it. Oh, there. Hey, dude, can you get my mag? It's stuck. Hey,
What do you want?
just that magazine there.
Is that there or is it?
No, I just need it out. I just need it. Thanks. I found something. On the right! Moving up on the right! Snipers on the right!
I just don't have the range with this gun.
It's okay, just lay them down. They won't get up if you just like arc your shots too.
I'm running low on ammo.
I got the guy behind the pallet. Guy behind the pallet's in. 3 guys behind the pallet. 3. Holy crap. What the heck? What? Oh, jeez.
I was irritated by that. Incoming!
Now I gotta find a pocket.
You can use my dump pouch if you want.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
This is like the only major cover.
Moving up on the trail, Ah, he fell back. How's it going? You alright?
Here and there's a few around.
How's ammo? Hey, Christian, how's ammo's going? Ask the snipers how ammo's going.
How's the ammo going, snipers?
I'm almost out too.
Crap. Okay. Hey, I got a job for you. Go back there and see if you can find us some ammo. All right? All right, go. I got the right side, Nick. Don't worry about it.
All right. Do we want to try to take that base?
Watch out! Watch out! Oh, come on, huh?
How many kills do you got today?
I'm like 15 right now. I'll have to watch the video and review it. Shoddy on the right! Shoddy moving up on the right!
I got like 7 from right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking at. The man down. There's a man down.
Nick, gun.
Alright, you got it?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Do you want us to keep that spot?
Sure.
I can assist snipers and give them ammo because I have one mag I can dump.
Alright. Hey, watch the right side over here. I think Christian's the only one holding that. He's got a pistol.
Yeah, that's going well.
Actually, it is. That pistol's
Oh, really? Nice. Shoddy, moving up, my 12. Okay.
Yeah, they heard you. They don't like it.
Guys, I want you to give me covering fire. I'm going to hit these guys.
Where? Cover fire to where? Cover fire to where?
Cover fire. Straight ahead.
Just shoot.
The base, if you can get out.
Yeah, I'll treat it better than my own.
Guys, the base, I'm covering the range of hallways.
Oh, God, dude. All right, moving over.
Someone in here?
Should be all right for a little.
Oh shit, you're the worst. Oh well.
Ammo right here.
Yeah, Taylor.
Got him. Got him.
Yeah, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's back in.
Yeah.
You got it. I got you.
That's it. It's a pull out. It's not that good. It's only good if you're guarding here.
I see somebody. Hey, tell me back in.
Back back in. I'm going down. I'm gonna get these guys.
Just got out.
We're at. Oh, okay.
Hey, bushes. See his head.
Hey, watch this. Hey,
I don't see any.
Hey, my 12, this trail, my 12, right here. Okay, you see, my,
I don't have
2? My 2, there's about 2 guys. One guy with a shotgun left went right.
We got
Another guy
one man
went
down
left.
right here. Do you think we can get to him? He's like 10 feet away.
Here, move on. I'll take a look on this side. No, he's too cut off. I can't get to him right here.
Alright.
okay, got good fire.
Here, let me take your spot. You've got range.
Move, I'm getting Taylor. Cover me.
All right,
Where's
cover.
Taylor at?
All right, go.
Give him fire. Give him fire.
No, we're all out.
I'll